How to log in IMO using mobile number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in IMO using your mobile number. So without further ado, let's get started. So here, as you can see, I have already installed the IMO app on my phone and I also have an existing account. So I'm gonna simply tap on the IMO app to launch it. Now, once you see the interface like this, just enter the phone number you want to log in with. And once you have entered your number, simply tap on the check mark icon at the bottom right and next confirm by tapping OK. And that's it. You're just a few moments away from accessing your IMO account. Super easy, right? You can go ahead and try it out yourself. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.